Hello, in front of me I've got Icar Pro 2S. In this video I'll show you how to change OBD units. In the beginning, make sure that your OBD is connected to the car and go to any OBD scanner. Next, go to Settings and go to Units. Here you can check between Imperial and Metric, liters for 100 km and kilometers per liter, or miles per gallon. Next you can change units for volume, tire pressure units, flow units, temperature units, acceleration units, power units, and torque units. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.